Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Today's recipe is a simple and healthy chicken dish with spinach. In a pan, heat some oil at medium heat. Add 1 bay leaf, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom pod, 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, three slit green chilies, add 1 cup finely chopped onion and stir well. Add 1 teaspoon salt and saute till the onion turns golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well and let it cook till the raw smell leaves. Add 1 finely chopped tomato. Mix it and close with a lid and allow to cook for some time. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything together. Add 500 gram chicken breast cut into small pieces. Mix such that the masala gravy coats all the chicken pieces. Add required salt. Close the lid and allow the chicken to cook for about 15 minutes. Keep stirring in between to avoid burning. Add 1 cup of finely mashed spinach. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 cup of finely mashed spinach. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it and let it cook for Add 1 tablespoon of cream at the end. Delicious and healthy spinach chicken is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.